मुझे यह समझ नहीं आया। I didn't understand this. I didn't understand this. मुझे उस पर दया आ रही थी। I felt pity for him. I felt pity for him. यह आसान नहीं था। It was not easy. It was not easy. अगर बारिश हुई तो हम नहीं जाएंगे। If it rains, we won't go. If it rains, we won't go. तुमने जवाब क्यों नहीं दिया? Why didn't you answer? Why didn't you answer? काश मैं वहां होता। I wish I were there. I wish I were there. तुम क्या कर रहे हो? What are you doing? What are you doing? अगर तुम पहले बताते तो मैं रुक जाता। If you had told me earlier, I would have stayed. If you had told me earlier, I would have stayed. क्या तुमने खाना खाया? Did you eat food? Did you eat food? अगर मैं जानता तो मैं तुम्हें मना कर देता। If I had known, I would have stopped you. If I had known, I would have stopped you. मैंने ऐसा कभी नहीं किया। I never did that. I never did that. काश मैं तुम्हारी मदद कर पाता। I wish I could help you. I wish I could help you. तुमने यह कहां से खरीदा? Where did you buy this from? Where did you buy this from? मुझे भूख लगी है। I am hungry. I am hungry. हम अक्सर पार्क में टहलते हैं। We often walk in the park. We often walk in the park. मैं घर पहुंच चुका हूं। I have reached home. I have reached home. उसने हर दिन अभ्यास किया। He practiced every day. He practiced every day. मैं तुम्हें बाद में कॉल करता हूं। I'll call you later. I'll call you later. मैं रोज रात को किताब पढ़ता हूं। I read a book every night. I read a book every night. अभी बहुत देर हो गई है। It's very late now. It's very late now. मैं हर शुक्रवार को मंदिर जाता हूं। I go to the temple every Friday. I go to the temple every Friday. मुझे हवाई अड्डे तक जाना है। I need to go to the airport. I need to go to the airport. मैं सुबह योग करता हूं। I do yoga in the morning. I do yoga in the morning. यहाँ सबसे अच्छा होटल कौन सा है? Which is the best hotel here? Which is the best hotel here? क्या आप थोड़ी देर रुक सकते हैं? Can you wait for a while? Can you wait for a while? क्या आप मुझे बस स्टॉप तक छोड़ सकते हैं? Can you drop me at the bus stop? Can you drop me at the bus stop? तुमसे एक बात कहनी है। I need to tell you something. I need to tell you something. मुझे एक गाइड की जरूरत है। I need a guide. I need a guide. क्या मैं आपका फोन इस्तेमाल कर सकता हूं? May I use your phone? May I use your phone? स्टेशन यहां से कितना दूर है? How far is the station from here? How far is the station from here? आप चाहें तो मेरे साथ चल सकते हैं। You can come with me if you want. You can come with me if you want. ट्रैफिक बहुत ज्यादा है। The traffic is too much. The traffic is too much. मुझे कॉल करना मत भूलना। Don't forget to call me. Don't forget to call me. यह काम बहुत जरूरी है। This work is very important. This work is very important. मैंने कल तुम्हें कॉल किया था। I called you yesterday. I called you yesterday. तुम बहुत तेज सीखते हो। You learn very fast. You learn very fast. हमने यह फिल्म पहले देखी है। We have seen this movie before. We have seen this movie before. मुझे तुम्हारी राय चाहिए। I need your opinion. I need your opinion. मैंने उसे मना कर दिया था। I had refused him. I had refused him. मुझे आज आराम चाहिए। I need rest today. I need rest today. हमने एक साथ स्कूल में पढ़ाई की थी। We did study together in school. We did study together in school. मुझे सांप सूंघ गया था। I was completely speechless. I was completely speechless. मैं कल से पढ़ाई शुरू करूंगा। I'll start studying from tomorrow. I'll start studying from tomorrow. वह हाथ पर हाथ धरे बैठा था। He was sitting idle. He was sitting idle. क्या तुम मेरे साथ फिल्म देखने चलोगे? Will you come with me to watch a movie? Will you come with me to watch a movie? यह मेरे बस की बात नहीं है। This is beyond me. This is beyond me. वह एक सप्ताह में लौट आएगा। He will return in a week. He will return in a week. उसने आग में घी डालने का काम किया। He added fuel to the fire. He added fuel to the fire. तुम अगर चाहो तो मैं मदद कर सकता हूं। I can help you if you want. I can help you if you want. उसने दिल पर ले लिया। He took it to heart. He took it to heart. वे हमें अगले साल बुलाएंगे। They will invite us next year. They will invite us next year. यह बहुत मजेदार था। It was so fun. It was so fun. हम कल उस जगह जाएंगे। We will go to that place tomorrow. We will go to that place tomorrow. मुझे स्टेशन जाना है. I need to go to the station. I need to go to the station. वह बहुत खुश नजर आ रही थी. She looked very happy. She looked very happy. मुझे यह खरीदना है. I want to buy this. I want to buy this. क्या तुम नाराज हो? Are you angry? Are you angry? उन्होंने मुझे बुलाया था. They had called me. They had called me. वह बहुत भावुक हो गया. He became very emotional. He became very emotional. मैं गाना गा सकता हूँ. I can sing a song. I can sing a song. वह पहले जैसा नहीं रहा. He is not like before anymore. He is not like before anymore.